All right, I'm going to finish up the last lesson, which is OR, which is R controlled, and it makes the O say or. Okay, we would code it like this, like this one. Okay, O can also make a short sound ah and a long sound O. Okay, but whenever R is beside O, it's going to say or. All right, so that's the R controlled sound for O. It's going to say or. And I have somebody working on my house, so if you hear some loud noises, just try to ignore it. All right. Give me just a second. Okay. Okay, I want you to listen to these words. Give me a thumbs up if you hear the word or the sound or, not the word, the sound or. Thumbs down if you don't. Sort. Sort. Form. Pot. Torch. Watch. Cut. Good. Hopefully you got all of those right. If not, go back and listen to them again and give it another try. All right. I'm going to write a word on my whiteboard, and I want you to sound it out and tell me what kind of vowel sound is it going to make. Is it going to make an R control sound, a short vowel sound, or a long vowel sound? So if it were R controlled, we'd need the letter R, so it's not going to be that. If it's a short sound, it should be closed, a closed syllable, which it is because that's a consonant. So ox, fox. Okay. And it can't be a long O sound because we don't have a bossy E or another vowel standing beside it. So that tells us that this is a closed syllable, and so it's going to say ox, fox. Okay. If I change the last consonant to a G, that's still a closed syllable, so the O is going to make a short sound. Og, fog. But if I change it to the letter R, it's still a closed syllable because it's followed by a consonant, but our consonant is the letter R. And whenever we see the letter R, we should go ding, 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 ding. It's going to be R controlled. So it's not going to say ah. It's not going to say O. It's going to say or. Or. So this word is for. All right. I'm going to write some words, and I want you to find the ones that are R controlled. All right. Horn, pot, horse, mop, storm, shop, thorn, and corn. Okay, I want you to look at these. Horn. Does it have an or sound in it? It does. So I'm going to code it like this. You can even underline the OR. Okay, the next word is pot. O is making an ah sound, so that's a short vowel sound. Horse. That's R controlled. So we can underline that. The next word is op. That's a closed syllable. So it's going to be a short vowel sound. The next word is storm. That's R controlled. The next word is shop. That's a closed syllable because it's followed by a consonant, but not an R. The next one is orn. So that's an R controlled. Oop. There we go. And then the last one is orn. That's R controlled again. All right. Hopefully you got all of those. All right, for your independent practice, you have some more cards. I want you to fill in the missing sounds and then have Logan email me or text me a picture when you have those complete. You can put these together with your AR ones. You can cut them out and mix them up and work on those. And then that way the next time you do Lexia, when you get a lesson over each of these skills, you are super good at them and that lesson gives you no problem. All right, have a good weekend. Bye.